Here's a run through of the cold cup animated mock-up. Once you get to your instructions PDF, you'll find a link to OneDrive. If you put that in your browser, you'll get to this screen here, and there's two versions of the mock-up. Here's the regular one, but there's also a linked version where the videos aren't embedded in the mock-up. They're linked to the mock-up, which is probably easier on Photoshop if you've got a machine that hasn't got a lot of memory. But let's run through the default one. So you double click, extract that somewhere on your hard drive. Once extracted, open it up. First thing to do is get rid of this space saving layer, which is in the bottom right hand corner. It's all your layers stacked there. Just either turn it off or throw it in the bin. Now you can change the colour of the straw, the lid, the body, if it's not a full wrap design. And I'll go through first how to add your design. So at the bottom here it says step 1, double click to add your design. So let's double click that. And it says step 2, double click this smart object to add your design. So we double click that. Now here's the design, so let's assume you want to replace that. So file, place embedded. If you haven't got place embedded in your version of Windows, you just copy it from another tab. But I'm just using this for convenience, so let's go to find a design. Now I haven't got one perfectly sized for this, so I'm just gonna quickly put something together. But obviously you'll have a design that is the right size. Just stretch it to fill the area. This is going to go over the edge because it's not designed for this really, but you should fit in there. And if it's not quite the same aspect ratio, just stretch it out and play around with it until it looks right on the mock-up. Once you've got your design in place, close the smart object. Close this smart object. Be sure to say yes on both of those. And there you go. There's the design on there. You can start to see the animation now if you just drag this across. All looking good. Now if you wanted to change the lid colour, in this folder here you've got lid, and there is the colour overlay that dictates what colour the straw is. So you just click that and then click that. Let's go for a green straw lid, sorry. No, let's go for a black. Oh, dark green looks nice, let's go with that. Now the straw colour is down here. It says straw, double click smart object to change colour, so we double click that. And then here's again another colour overlay. Let's change that to, let's go for a lighter green. Be sure to save it. And there you go. That's how to change the straw colour and lid. Other options are you can turn the shadow on and off, and you can also turn the background off. Just place your own, again go file, place embedded if you've got another background you want to place in there and size it in. And I don't think there's anything else to say about the mock-up itself except for when you come to rendering the video. All you need to do there is, I choose to go in this way. I think you can go in this way as well, but let's do this way. So it's this little burger menu here. Click that and you've got render video. Select the folder you want, where you want to save it. can give it a file name here. I suggest keeping all the default settings here, but if you for any reason want to, say you're on a Mac, I think you might want to switch to QuickTime if you're having problems with this codec, or this codec isn't on your Mac. You need to switch that to QuickTime. When you're ready, just hit render. Let's call it something else. And depending on the speed of your computer, this will take a while. Okay, that's nearly finished. Once you're done, you should have a video ready to upload. Let's have a look if we can find it now. And there you go, it's the finished animation. That's everything.